Hello, you all. I hope you all are fine. I'm doing well. So today we will learn Introduction to Molecular Modeling. Molecular modeling has become a well-established discipline in pharmaceutical research. Nowadays, in industry, in basic drug discovery, this molecular modeling is used commonly. So it is now well established discipline one, and MNCs, multinational pharmaceutical industries, they are using these techniques commonly. It has created unprecedented opportunities for assisting the medicinal chemist in the rational design of new therapeutic agents. So it is preferred technique nowadays. Molecular modeling elucidates the understanding of three-dimensional aspects of drug receptor interactions at molecular level. So now we'll see what this molecular modeling is. Some definitions of molecular modeling we will see here. So molecular modeling encompasses all methods, theoretical and computational, which are used to model or mimic the behavior of molecules. Then second definition of molecular modeling is it is a technique for deriving, representing and manipulating the structures and reactions of molecules and those properties that are dependent on these three-dimensional structures. So what this molecular modeling is actually? This molecular modeling is similar to design dress modeling. So in design dress modeling, we do check the fitting of design dress on a model. Similarly, in drug design, or we can say in molecular modeling field, we do check fitting of a design drug into the active site of a receptor. In dress design modeling, we do see it live. Okay, so whichever dress designed are there, so those models they wear the dress and we do check the fitting of these design dress on that model. All this is live one, we can see it live. But in case of drug design, it's not possible because all this happens at molecular level and in vivo means in our body. When drugs goes inside the body and when it goes into the active site, what happens there that cannot be seen live. So we do simulate this. So in drug design modeling, what do? We simulate this fitting of drug into active site with the help of computer graphics. So we cannot see it live as design dress modeling. Drug design can be simulated with the help of computer graphics. Advances in computer hardware and software and advances in theoretical medicinal chemistry have brought high performance computing and graphic tools within the reach of most academic and industrial laboratories, thus facilitating the development of useful approaches to rational drug design. The discipline has various aspects, that is computer software and hardware, structural and quantum chemistry, structural activity relationship, force field, simulations, superimposition techniques, three-dimensional database searching, etc., which we will learn in a unified way. So all these disciplines, whichever are there, We will see it one by one. The aim of my presentation is to provide a comprehensive overview of these strategies currently used in computer-assisted drug design, such as pharmacophore-based and structure-based drug design. So we will learn not only the fundamental concepts. In fundamental concept, actually the molecular basis of drug action, molecular simulations, molecular mimicry, etc. we will be learning. So apart from this, we also will learn to apply them to real problem. So first we will see the perspective of molecular modeling, then molecular modeling hardware and software equipments, and then we will cover the areas of computer graphic basic operations that are common to all molecular modeling applications. More specialized aspects such as molecular mechanics, molecular dynamics, three-dimensional representations of various molecular properties and methods for deriving bioactive conformations. Then, manual docking has been used extensively in a number of projects and has contributed to the creation of sophisticated automated treatments. All of these things we will try to see. So, we will learn how tailor-made molecules can be identified either by construction method or by extraction from three-dimensional database. Drug receptor interactions shows how it is possible to take full advantage of the knowledge of the three-dimensional structure of the target protein in the design of drugs rationally conceived on the basis of their complementarities with the target macromolecule. We will learn the fundamental concepts of molecular modeling and enabling them to understand and apply these concepts in current research in this lecture series on molecular modeling. So I'll stop here. Thank you very much.